there, this is Lou Pepe of Lou Pepe Business Services. I've had a few clients ask me recently how to set up automated recurring payments in QuickBooks Online. So that's what this video is for, to show you how to do that. If you're a pest control company, for instance, a cleaning company, lawn care, anything where you have a fixed fee that you bill every month, this is a great way for you to get your clients set up on automated billing. So here's how you do that. We use a sales receipt and get to the sales receipt transaction. We select the plus, and under clients is sales receipt. And we choose the client that we're going to set this up for. In this case, I have myself set up as a test client. And now we want to do a payment method. If you're doing credit cards, for instance, a Visa card, here's where you can enter it. And I hopefully have a fake card number. If you have a device where you can swipe, whether you're using the QuickBooks Online app on your phone, or you have a dongle attached to your laptop or your computer, you can select swipe and actually swipe the card and get your information off that. I believe you get lower rates when you swipe your card versus entering the data. But if you don't have a dongle, you can go ahead and enter your credit card information here. And let's see, 72021. This is all fake, by the way. I've already tested this, so it works. I guess I got to keep that same name. And this is my old number, but not my old street. Let's see if that works. Let's save that. Okay, and see, when you do that now, what's great is, there we go. Huh. So now we are going to pick our product here. I'm going to do bookkeeping services. I'm going to bill this monthly at $100 a month. That's a sales receipt. If this was a one-time transaction, I would click Save and Send here and be done. But to make this recurring, we go down here in the middle, in the black line, and it says Make Recurring. So we'll select that. And now we have a template, a recurring sales receipt template. So give it a unique name. Let's call this a monthly. Give it whatever name you want. Now there's three types of transactions you can create. The scheduled transaction is just that. You select the interval, first of the month, for instance, and on the first of the month, this will automatically run. You could set it up as a reminder so that you get a reminder, say a day before this runs, so that then you can go in and actually submit it yourself. Or you can just do it unscheduled. It's a template transaction. Whenever you want to run it, you can just go into the recurring transactions and run it. But we're going to set this up as scheduled. Automatically on the first of the month it'll run. You can change the interval. We're using monthly, but you can make it daily, weekly, yearly, whatever. You can set a start date and an end date, but we're not. We're going to leave it open-ended. And now the key is we're going to save this template. And the cool thing here, this is what I was looking for before. I didn't realize I had to get to this point. Here you've got a form that you can have your client, you can print this off and have your client sign it, that authorizes you to run this card. And so now you're covered. Legally, you've met all the guidelines. You have written authorization from your client to run your monthly automated billing. So you can print that off here and save. That's it. So now I'll show you, under the cog, and under lists are our recurring transactions. And here is the sales receipt transaction. So this is going to run on the first of the month and take $100 off that Visa card. You can edit this transaction here. You can, if for instance you had it set as a reminder or you had it set as unscheduled, you can come in here and say use, and it'll run that at that point. You can duplicate it. You can pause it and stop it from running for whatever period. Or you can skip the next date, or you can delete it altogether. So that's recurring transactions. This is Lou Pepe of Lou Pepe Business Services.